You have almost certainly come across some sort of camera application, Zoom or Instagram or TikTok, that does something somewhat magical. It removes the background and keeps only the part of the video where the human sits. In fact, you're looking at it right now. I'm not actually living in this computer. When we remove the background, it allows us to replace the background with something else that isn't actually there. Sometimes this is done with a green screen, and in fact, that's how I'm doing it right now, with the green screen. It's very common. The computer takes all the green pixels, makes them transparent, but how does it work if you don't have a green screen? The answer is math. Many different forms of math. Machine learning algorithms, actually specifically, can learn what types of patterns within images look like a foreground image, like a human torso. And once these algorithms have looked at lots and lots of patterns, they can predict how likely an image is to be that of a human face by comparing what it's seen before to what it's currently seeing. One of the ways that computers can do this is through what's known as edge detection. Let's take a look. Say you have this image. Where are the edges? Use your eyes. You know how to do this. We know in our physical world on Earth, the mountain meets the sky, that's an edge. The fence meets the ocean, meets the road, that's an edge. The hat meets the sky, that's an edge. And you know this because you can see it with your eyes. You know that there's a giant color difference between the hat and the sky. Well, the computer also knows this. Right? So remember, images are made of pixels, and each pixel has a color and a location. And the computer can look to find out, is this pixel making a change from a brownish, tannish color to a lightish, bluish color? And how fast is that color changing? The computer can know this. This is called an edge, when there is a strong change in the colors of the pixels here versus the colors of the pixels here. If you want to see what the computer is seeing, sort of, you can run a filter. This is in Pixlr, by the way, pixlr.com. And under the filter menu, there's something called Find Edges. And this runs a Sobel filter. And you can see where the computer has done some math on the pixels to find out, is there a large difference? And in fact, how much is the difference between the pixels over here and the pixels over here? And you can zoom in here and you can find out, right, that there's a strong difference in pixels along the side of the face and in the camera edges, and all of these little details come out. I'm gonna undo this real quick because I also want to show you real quick my favorite thing about Pixlr, which is the AI Auto Mask. So the AI Auto Mask, which is under Layer, will remove the background for you. And edge detection is just part of the way that this works. Pretty cool, right?